is it time na for the Senate to wrap, actually both houses of Congress, because suspendido na yun sa mababang kapulungan, ito sa Senado ngayon in limbo. Ito ba dapat ipaubayan na natin sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure itong investigasyon ng maanumalyang mga flood control projects?
Magandang i-unpack yung tanong mo, Ma'am Ali, no? Unang-una, in my experience at sa aking sa personal na opinion ko lang po, I will never ever presume to know what's in Senator Ping Lacson's mind. I don't want to second guess him dahil strategist po yan. He's a master tactician. So hindi ko po alam, malalaman po siguro ng taong bayan mamaya, it's set to happen later, no? Kung ano talaga yung kanyang play, kung bakit siya nagbibitaw bilang Senate President. Kasi may, not Senate President, excuse me, Blue Ribbon Committee Chair. Kasi may mga nagsasabi rin na kaya niya ito ginagawa dahil mas may leeway siya. Kasi bilang isang Blue Ribbon Chair, kailangan maging objective siya, kailangan bigyan niya ng balance yung hearing, kailangan he should appear very impartial, hindi siya pwede umupak, pardon the term. Pero bilang isang membro, although na-reduce to 5 minutes lang yung kanyang airtime, he has more leeway. He has more leeway to actually come up with more fiery, more pinpoint statements. Yun naman ang isang school of thought, no? Kasi maraming napakamot ng ulo. And frankly, sumama ang loob. Nalaman nila na, magbibitaw na si Senator Ping bilang Blue Ribbon Chair. Bakit? Did he give up? Was he pressured? That's worse, no? Was he pressured? Nadala ba siya sa pressure? Kaya siya bumitaw? So, ako personally, my personal knowledge of the senator, I don't think he can be pressured, honestly.
Correct.
And I think he has a probably an ace in his sleeve, yung tinatawag may alas. Sana. Now, to unpack your second question, Ma'am Ali, yung mababang kapulungan, tinigil na yung hearing. Yung Senate, balita daw, 1 or 2 hearings na lang. Ito ang problema eh. You used the perfect word, ma'am. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Limbo. The worst place to be. Hindi natin alam kung anong dulo. Kasi pag yan tinurn over mo sa ICI, the ICI is woefully understaffed. Hopefully lacking in resources. Isipin nyo, sa Bulacan pa lang to. Bulacan pa lang ang pinag-uusapan natin, ganito kalaki na. Billiard table na may mga gabundok na salapi nandyan. Bilyon ang pinag-uusapan. Ang tinatalo sa casino sa isang araw, 300 million ng mga misala, no? That's just in Bulacan. Can you imagine investigating this on a nationwide scale? Does the ICI have that capability? Does the ICI have those resources? Hindi ho natin talaga masabi kung saan ang dulo eh. Pero ang hinahanap ng tao, accountability. Kailangan yan may makulong. Kailangan yan may, the evidence is, sinasampal na po tayo ng ebidensya.
Overwhelming.